Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to feed a shape in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can go to here to create a new composition. We can keep to the setting and I press OK to create a new composition. Now, firstly, we can create a shape. We can use click and hold to choose the shape. I will use rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. If we want to make a square, we can press shift to make it square. Now, if we want to feed this shape, we can go to the shape layer and right click and choose mask. And we can find new mask, or we can use shortcut Ctrl Shift N to use new mask. I click it. So we can have the mask here, open it, and open the mask one. And then we can find mask feeder and we can adjust the value to make it feeder. Actually, we have the option to fill nothing for the stroke. We can use Alt and left mouse button click to fill nothing. Again, we can go back to mask. Okay, here. And then we can see that the edge is sharp. So we can adjust the mask expansion to increase it, reduce it to make it blur. So we can make feeder a shape in After Effects now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CGN. See you in the next video. Bye bye.